Avid CNC router parts, 48.96. That is my machine. I wanna get a VMC. I wanna get like a Haas mini mill or something like that, and I wanna cut metal, but they're really expensive. I don't really have a product that I make and sell or any real experience. I'm gonna do a Titan M1 on my router. Maybe the results will be kind of surprising. We'll see. I'm not going to get into drawing the part. We're not going to be taking any 100,000 step over at 200 inches a minute or anything crazy like that. Using a high-speed machining technique. 1/2 inch deep helical in without flood coolant. Ugh. Might break some bits. We'll see. The helical interpolation is going to be the sticker on this thing, and it might need to be done in two steps. I can take that cleanup past full depth. I said full depth. I say that like it's a big deal. It's a 1/2 inch, okay? But it's a router. Gonna do some bonus footage. Got my woodworking slab flattening bit here. I don't mind trying it because these are replaceable carbide inserts. So if it all goes pear-shaped, we can just throw a new couple of inserts in there. But I'm very curious to see what this will look like because the single fluke finish is just awful. Well, you could hear it making some noise and some complaining, but it's like a mirror. It's just perfect. There is definitely a noticeable step there. What can I say? It's not a VMC, but that's nice and shiny.